A pleasant day to all. I'm Russell.
I'm Rodeline.
And today, we're going to make a special Graham cake, which is the representation of a sedimentary rock.
The ingredients are 2 packs of Graham, reserve 3 crackers, and crush it in a bowl with a glass. 2 to 4 large mangoes, 1 can of condensed milk, and 2 all-purpose.
Did I grow up according to plan?
So now, let's proceed to the steps. First, place a layer of Graham crackers at the bottom of your container.
Things I wanna do, but it hurts when you disapprove all along. And now I try hard to make it. I just wanna make you proud. I'm never gonna be good enough for you. Can't pretend that I'm alright.
Mix the condensed milk and cream together and add a layer on top of each Graham cracker. Joke lang. Wala nang panas.
Forever, sorry, I can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, can't be perfect.
Mix the condensed milk and cream together and add a layer on top of each Graham cracker.
I try not to think about the pain I feel inside. Didn't know you used to be my hero. All the days you spent with me now seem so far away, and it feels like you don't care anymore. And now I try hard to make it. I just wanna make you proud. I'm never gonna be good enough for you.
Then, place your sliced mangoes on top. Make sure that the cream covers all of the Graham.
Nothing lasts
Repeat procedure until the container is full. Top with crushed Grahams and serve cold.
Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, can't be perfect. Nothing's gonna change the things that you said, and nothing's gonna make this right again. Please don't turn your back. I can't believe it's hard just to talk to you, but you don't understand. Cause we lost it all, and nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Cause we lost it all.
Grabe, ang sarap talaga ng Grahams na to. Ang pinakamasarap na Grahams na tikman ko. Galing mo magluto.
Thank you.
Ikaw talaga, mabiro ka. Teka, parang may naalala ko dito sa Grahams na kinakain natin. Dito sa Grahams na kinakain natin. Dito. Alam niyo yung Lessons sa Earthside dati?
Yeah.
Yung tungkol sa sedimentary rocks. Di ba sabi na yung sedimentary rocks, nag-form siya by layers of rocks. Parang nakaalala ko to. Kasi di ba layers din siya? Tapos di ba sabi pa ni Sir, ang pangalan daw nung layers na sedimentary rocks, stratum, di ba? Strata kapag plural. Paano ba nag-form ng sedimentary rocks?
Ba't di eh?
Ano yun?
Ayun, erosion, tapos and then, because
Ano yung weathering?
The breaking down of rocks.
Breaking down of rocks. Tapos yung erosion, transferring of rocks. Ay,
Yeah.
tama. Tapos ang transportation, sorting. Kung saan sinasabi ko na yung mga maliliit, mga malalaking rocks. Deposition, accumulation. Tapos, ang last na yung liquefaction. Yung compaction. Ang galing, no? Ang galing ng pag-form. Parang ganito rin siya. Parang ito yung mga weathered rocks. Diba? Tapos, na-litified siya para maging isang Graham. Sige, kain na kayo ng kain. Kainin natin. Grabe, no? Meron din pala tayo natutunan sa pagkain. Diba? O, peer tayo. Grabe.
Ako naman.
Sige. Oh, meron din ba tayo natutunan sa pagkain, no? Kaya, lubos-lubosin na natin. Tama. Lubos-lubos yung wala na laman.
Perfect.